Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 4 p.m. Eastern Time on the 26th of March 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? What you see before you is a chart of the dollar index futures, the daily chart, wound back to the end of last week. We said last week that one of two things was likely to happen. Either the dollar was going to move up first and then go down, or we were going to continue down into this demand zone over here. We also said, based on the weekly chart, that the odds are much higher on the dollar continuing to move to the downside. So let's see how the dollar played out last week. So on Monday, the dollar moved down and then came back up again. But on Tuesday, the dollar actually moved down into this demand zone below. On Wednesday, we kind of moved up and down. On Thursday, the market gapped up. So it looks like we're being supported by this demand zone. And on Friday, the market opened here, went up and then down and then closed roughly in the same price area that it actually opened in. So we're still holding in demand here. So the question is this: where is the dollar likely to go next this week? So again, if the dollar moves to the upside, then we may go above this area. If we do, we're going to move higher into this area here. If not, we're going to turn to the downside and go to lower. If, on the other hand, the market is not supported by this zone over here and we actually move to the downside, we actually have a demand zone directly below, which was once supply, which may find we get support here. If we don't hold this area, we're likely to continue lower. Now, if we look on the weekly chart, we can see that, as we said the weeks before, that this is highly likely to move down below this low over here into this demand zone. What happens into this demand zone? Well, we'll have to wait and see if and when we get there. If, on the other hand, we fail to make a new low here and we actually get supported here and the market starts moving to the upside, then we may very well continue moving to the upside in line with the monthly demand zone over here. It's much less likely to happen, much less probable to happen, but still it's a possibility. The odds are still greater on a continuation of the move to the downside. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. And if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.